Want to improve your credit score fast? Then you need to understand one thing clearly. Your credit score is not just a number, it is your financial identity. It decides whether banks trust you or reject you. It decides if you can get a loan, a credit card, or even buy a house in the future. And the worst part? Most people don't even know how it actually works. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down in the simplest way possible. Step 1. Always pay your bills on time. This is the most important rule. Even one late payment can damage your credit score badly. Because banks see one thing clearly. If you can't pay on time, you are a risk. So always remember. Pay before the due date, not after it. Step 2. Don't use too much of your credit. This is called credit utilization. If your credit limit is 100%, don't use all of it. Try to keep it under 30%. And if possible, even under 10%. Because when you use too much credit, it signals financial pressure. And that lowers your score. Step 3. Don't close old accounts. Many people make this mistake thinking it will help. But actually, older accounts are good for your credit history. They show that you have been responsible for a long time. So the longer your credit history, the stronger your score becomes. Step 4. Stop applying for too many loans or credit cards. Every application creates a hard inquiry on your report. And too many inquiries make you look desperate for credit. That's a red flag for banks. So only apply when it is truly needed. Step 5. Always pay more than the minimum payment. If you only pay the minimum amount, your debt stays longer. And interest keeps growing. But when you pay more than the minimum, you reduce your debt faster and improve your credit behavior. And finally, always check your credit report for mistakes. Yes, mistakes happen more often than you think. Sometimes old debts, wrong payments, or errors are still showing on your report. Your score suffers for no reason. So always review your credit report regularly. Now let's put it all together. If you follow these steps consistently, pay on time, keep usage low, maintain old accounts, avoid unnecessary applications, and manage your payments properly, your credit score will improve. But remember, this is not overnight magic. It takes time, discipline, and consistency. Because at the end of the day, credit score is not about money. It's about habits. Simple habits. Powerful results.